Getting the couldn't find this account message on TikTok while using your iPhone? Don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step to fix this issue so you can get back to enjoying TikTok without any hassle. Let's jump right into it. Before diving into the solutions, make sure you have a stable internet connection. You've entered the correct email or username. If everything checks out, let's move on to the solutions. Solution 1. Clear app cache. First, open up Settings on your iPhone. Then tap on General. Next, select iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and locate in TikTok app. If you don't see the TikTok app here, tap on Show All. Next, select TikTok, then tap Offload App. After that, confirm by tapping Offload App again. Now tap Reinstall App. Once you've done this, check if the issue is resolved. If you're still facing the same problem, don't worry, let's try the next solution. After updating, open TikTok and try logging in again. Still having trouble? Let's move on to the next solution. Solution 2. Check for iOS updates. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General, then select Software Update. If Software Update is available, tap Download and Install to update your iPhone. Once your iPhone is updated, try accessing your TikTok account again. If it's still not working, let's try resetting your network settings. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap on Reset. Now choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode if prompted. Confirm by tapping Reset Network Settings again. Once the reset is complete, check if the issue has been resolved. That's it. These are the best ways to fix the couldn't find this account message on TikTok. I hope this video made things easier for you. If you have any questions or need further help, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.